Hello dear fans. What is a stem cell? Stem cells are a special type of cells that are capable not only of self-renewal, but also of differentiation into various cells of the body. They are a class of immature cells. To understand where stem cells come from, you need to remember the development process of the body. After fertilization, a zygote appears, the only cell, which then gives rise to the entire body. Its further divisions form cells, containing all the genetic material and information about subsequent cell divisions. These are stem cells. In an adult, formed organism, stem cells are stored only in the bone marrow and in small numbers in various organs. These cells are able to repair almost any damaged area of an organ or tissue, differentiating into the desired cells and, thus, being an emergency aid to the body. However, due to the fact that these cells are initially few in number, and their number gradually decreases with age, the body is not always able to recover with their help. Modern medicine has found the possibility of pushing stem cell differentiation in the required direction and, thanks to this, curing a person. Due to the wide capabilities of stem cells, new methods of treatment are emerging with their help, based on the possibility of transplanting these cells into a foreign organism. Ways of getting rid of a person from seemingly incurable diseases are being developed. However, due to the lack of knowledge of the transplantation of these cells into other organisms, it is difficult to talk about the real possibilities of such implants at the present time. In addition, as this direction develops, scientists face more and more difficulties in the form of unexpected side effects. Despite all this, one cannot underestimate the possibility of stem cells, which are rightfully the basis of every organism. And, perhaps, in the near future, the statements that it is real to grow new teeth or an organ will not be questioned. Thanks for watching.